eyes on the track, nigga.
You ain't the one for me, you ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you, maybe I'm not your speed, maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese, maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace, everybody.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sissy and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make homemade labels like these. These are not the labels I have now. I decided to stop being cheap and actually order them offline, but this is for the young bosses who have no money and want to start a business. So I'm just gonna be helping you guys out. You can really make these from home. I don't know if the camera is focusing because I can't really see it. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Add me on Instagram. Your girl is trying to get out this apartment because roommates is not it. Don't ever leave your mother's house to go get roommates because you won't like the outcome, okay? And I'm trying to stay motivated, trying to be cool and everything. So I'm just going to be doing my videos, trying to be consistent to get out this bitch, okay? Alright, so basically all I did was printed these out online. If you want a separate video on how I actually made these labels and printed them out like this, I'll do another video. But I did these at work actually because I don't have a printer at home. I would have to go all the way to my mom's house to do it. So I did it at work. Sent it to my email and then I printed it from there. But basically all I did was printed these from my email because I did it on Canva. It was either Canva or PicStitch, one of them. Or was it Fonto? Whatever it's called. I can't remember. But I'll leave the link down below. But if you guys want a separate video on how I did it, I will do a separate video. And using some tape. This tape was actually $1. Just $1. And I actually got the very thin tape. Because you don't want it to show on your labels. I was going for transparent labels at the time. So I'm just going to show you guys how thin it is. This is the really thin Scotch tape. Damn, I can't even speak today. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So basically all I did was these were the ones I was already doing. So I basically just put the tape over the paper like this. And we are going to dip it in some hot water. Alright, so I'm just going to cut this off. This is just for the sake of the video. I won't be putting like 2 labels on one lip gloss or anything like that. This is just to show you guys. So you're going to cut it. I have my hot water right here. Just going to dip that in. And let it sit for like 5 minutes. This is actually going to be hard to peel off because I don't have a table in front of me right now. But I'll try my best. So I had to switch up locations because y'all wouldn't be able to see me. So I needed a table. I can do this up in the air. So basically you're just going to scratch up the back like this. I'm only doing it like this because of my nails. If not, you could just peel it off. So this is what it looks like. You're gonna let it dry off a little, and then you're gonna place it on the lip gloss. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, but first I have to let it dry. Alright, so when the water is absolutely dry, the tape gets sticky again. So, this is my lip gloss. I'm just gonna be placing that on there. Let's see if the camera can focus. Alright, so here. I don't know if you guys can see that because this damn camera is getting on my last nerve. And the labels came out transparent. You can't actually see the tape on there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.